Attach documents to keep everything in one secure place. Hi, this is Brian K. for doitbythehour.com, and I'm a freelancer just like you. Hunting through emails or cloud folders to find the client contract or a critical reference document wastes time. Do It by the Hour is an integrated software solution for freelancers that includes project management, invoicing, Stripe integration, booking calendars, expense tracking, CRM tools, accounting, and more. Learn how to upload project files, like contracts and briefs, to your project. Everything is centralized, secure, and accessible, meaning you'll never search for a reference document again. This must be done on a desktop or laptop, not a mobile device. To upload a document, go to the dashboard and click the Do It button under Do Work. From the Do Work page, click the Projects button in the Projects section. On the Projects page, click the Project button under the one you'd like to work on. On the Project Details page, click the Reference Files button. On the Project Reference Files page, you'll see a list of the project groups. Reference files are organized by group, so click to expand the one you want to upload your file to, and then click Upload File. On the Upload File page, enter the display name users will see for this file and your comments. It doesn't have to be the actual file name itself. After clicking Save, you'll see a box where you can drag and drop your file. Members can view the files by clicking Reference Files under the project on the Projects page or from the Project Details page. Ready to take your freelancing career to the next level? Give us a try with 30 days of unlimited access for free. Get started today on www.doitbythehour.com.